What's your number one reason for coming?
Just the energy, the love, and to get to see so many different speakers talking about everything that I care about.
To get the newest and latest great information on what I can't hear in normal mainstream media publications, that I can hear new information on alternative medicine that, I think in a lot of cases can be as curative, if not more curative, than traditional medicine.
It's something we had to try, and did not disappoint.
It was a combination of the opportunity for continuing education credits, getting out of the Northwest where it's really cold, somewhere nice and sunny, and also I have heard good things about kind of Cal Jam as being something that will increase your passion for chiropractic.